Hello, everybody. So let's discuss in the daily videos the index of 8 core sector industries. Okay, so let's discuss. It was recently in news, and the data has come. So the Office of Economic Advisor within the Department of Promotion and Industrial Internal Trade (DPIIT) has released the index of 8 core industries (ICI) for September 2020. So ICI is important because you might get question in the facts in the prelims examination. Now let's understand what ICI is, Index of Core Industries. As the title suggests, there is an index of 8 most fundamental industrial sectors in Indian economy, and it maps the volume of production in these industries. It gives the detail of 8 sectors. Now ICI has the detail of 8 sectors. What are those sectors? Coal, number one, natural gas, crude oil, refinery products, fertilizer, steel, cement, and electricity. So what exactly happens now? If it will give the trend that how these core industries are doing, and these core industries are doing well in terms of growth parameters, which means economy is functioning well. Since these 8 industries are essential, basic, or intermediate ingredient in the functioning of the broader economy, mapping their health provides a fundamental understanding of the state of the economy. So if they are doing well, if the parameters of these 8 core sectors are doing well, which means the economy is also doing well, it is on the path of progression. In other words, if 8 industries are not growing fast enough, the rest of the economy is unlikely to either. Okay. So see the growth trend. Now, this was when the COVID came after Feb. There was a stark, steep dive in the, ICI overall, and now the revival has taken place, especially after the May when the unlockdown phase started, May, July, and now it is almost getting to the normal as it was in the pre-COVID period. So this is a good trend in the economy over the. That means the economy is reviving, and industrial growth is reviving. The jobs are going to come back. The demand in the economy is increasing, and right now the festival season has started, so that is also a good indicator. The data is to focus the trend of ICI growth in the past 6 months, that is since the start of the COVID-19 pandemic and associated lockdown. A crucial factor in this regard would be the next wave of COVID-19 infection. Now, since the economy has revived, and we are feeling that except few sectors, but mostly economy is revived, the GST collections are also better than what we got in the last year. October 2020 was better than the October 19 GST collection. So these are some good indicators showing that the economy is reviving. But there is also a problem that next COVID wave might come. Now, what is happening in European countries? They again started the lockdown. So the next wave is a big challenge. Similar in America also. So if there is a surge in the winter months, as is being witnessed in most Europe and US, then India's recovery will be dented again. So we have to see how the ICI parameters suggest in the coming month. In Delhi, as we already see, the cases are very high. In Maharashtra, in Kerala, these are the states which are depicting that we are still not, have overcome the crisis of the COVID period. Okay, so that is all for today. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.